So these are the ingredients for the blueberry raspberry cake. We have sugar, yogurt, vanilla, oil, blueberries, raspberries, flour and eggs. The berries are tossed in flour to avoid sinking. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to make the cake. So keep mixing the sugar and the oil till they are fully combined. It will take only a few minutes. Then add in your egg one by one. When you put in one egg, you keep mixing. So once it's fully mixed, you add in the other egg. And also mix till it's fully incorporated. Then add in your vanilla. You can put in any flavor that you wish. It doesn't have to be vanilla. You can put in lemons or oranges, and also stir. So once this is fully mixed, you add in your flour and the yogurt. So you add them gradually, starting with the flour, then completing with the yogurt. So my flour, I had already put in baking powder. If you wish to use self-raising, there's no need for that baking powder. So once the flour has been mixed, add in a bit of the yogurt. Keep mixing. Then add in some flour. Mix again. Add in the remaining yogurt. So make sure your yogurt is plain. Then mix till it's fully incorporated. Then add in the remaining flour. Once it's fully mixed, add in your berries. Remember, the berries were tossed in flour to prevent them from sinking. So start with the blueberries, then the raspberries. And slowly fold. So once they are fully folded, you now put them in your pan. So I'm using a loaf tin and cheese. And you should bake this for around 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. Also, do not forget to grease your pan with oil to prevent the cake from sticking. So once this mixture is fully in, I'll put it in the oven for 1 hour, 180 degrees Celsius. So the cake is now ready. You can serve it with your drink of your choice, tea, soda, juice, or anything that you would wish to.